Every single chain has their own dog meme coin. For example, Bitcoin has dog. You have Ethereum that has Shiba Inu or Doge. And for Robinhood, there is two meme coins that are competing for the face of Robinhood as the dog mascot of Robinhood. And in today's video, we're going to be comparing the two. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. We have been calling some absolute banging plays on Robinhood recently. We called the 200x guys within the last week. It's been going crazy. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing one of those plays and put it up against one that is actually at a higher market cap to try to figure out who is the real dog of Robinhood. Now, both of these are on the chopping block today, so let's get into today's video. If you guys like what you see, stay until the end. If you like what you see, guys, consider hitting that subscribe button. We're on a grind to 20,000 subscribers. Now, on the chopping block, we have AI, Artificial Enu. Now, blatantly, the first thing that sticks out to me and I'm going to be as unbiased as possible, right? The first thing that sticks out to me when I think of Artificial Enu is obviously Shiba Inu. It's a copy of Shiba Inu, the one that did really successful on Ethereum. And here's the truth, right? A lot of projects that copy other plays don't tend to do well, but it seems like Artificial Enu is changing the game because these guys are doing really well. In the last week, they're up 400%. And look at the market cap, guys, okay? 81 million. This is not something that you just play around with. Like, this isn't like, oh, it just ran to 800,000 or $1 million market cap. No. This is up 400% from like around 20 million, right? 16-15 million dollar market cap. The amount of volume you need to go up that high in a week is insane. And the thing is, like, all credit to Robinhood meme coins, because base meme coins, unfortunately, were never able to pull off the real moves like this. And we're seeing that happen right now. And if you guys are loading up into any of these Robinhood plays right now that are genuinely going crazy, you're going to make a lot of money in the next couple months. You're going to make a lot of money when the bull run finally returns, right? So just keeping that in mind. What are we comparing it today? Well, we're comparing it to Good in the Hood. The market cap of Good in the Hood, guys, you have 8.39 million, but really and truly when it's fully diluted, it's about 10.24. That's because the founders, from what I know, all of their tokens are locked away. They are vested. They are bullish on the project. And yeah, let's take a look at AI to begin with, Artificial Enu. So again, this is technically the top dog on Robinhood, but again, it is a carbon copy of Shiba Inu, right? It's just basking on the fact that that's already a cultural favorite. So it doesn't really have anything to build off of, it doesn't really have to build anything of its own. It's building off of something that's already established, but that does not take away from just how much this thing has pumped within the last 7 days, right? From August 17th to where we are today, this thing is up 18x, 1,740%. And it seems like there's no signs of slowing down. Just within the last couple of days, guys, Artificial Enu has been going absolutely crazy. And let's take a look at it. The on-chain NVIDIA community, AI is paired with tokenized NVIDIA. Every trade feeds the vault and every fee is burned or locked forever. The dog is long compute. So essentially, when you buy some Artificial Enu, you are also getting bits of, it looks like the Mag 7, or not the Mag 7, but you got NVIDIA, Microsoft, TSM. You're getting paid out in these things, which I've seen a lot of other Robinhood meme coins doing, but I really do like that idea. And it seems like, again, tokenized stocks, right? That's kind of what it is. Very interesting concept, very interesting idea. A lot of big names are talking about this as well. It looks like it's been CTO'd. The ticker is AI. Now, one of the biggest reasons we're seeing a massive move for this is, first of all, Ansem is talking about it, one of the arguably the biggest crypto influence over on X. You see him talking about it. AI now holds over $1.2 million of NVIDIA in the pool community vault, up $200,000 since yesterday. The flywheel is flywheeling. The most held asset on Robinhood via FOMO. The FOMO is real. The Enu is artificial. Obviously, pretty massive stuff. So what are we comparing this to, right? Let's look at the other dog that's been around for a little bit now. Let's compare it with that one. Now, obviously, the one that we are comparing it to, guys, Good in the Hood, good that's in your neighborhood. So again, I'm trying to be as unbiased as possible, but a lot of you guys know that we've made over a 200x on Good in the Hood, and I believe, right, comparing it to Artificial Enu, that it's only just getting started, right? $8 million market cap. For it to get to the levels of Artificial Enu, you're looking at about, guys, a 10x, right? Well, 8x, because the fully diluted valuation is 10 million. Now, the thing with Good in the Hood is that it came out August 19th, maybe just a little bit before that. Just a little before, no, hold on. I think it was about August 8th, right? released about August 5th. Okay, so August 5th is when it came out, and ever since then, it's only been on a upward trajectory, right? It's been doing really well. It's been gaining a lot of coverage over on X. And one thing that we're going to look at that I think kind of gives us a slight edge right now is a post from Robinhood themselves that show you that they have eyes on good in the hood. And let's take a look at this. So first of all, the name itself, right? Hood. You have Robinhood incorporated into that name, right? It transcends the crypto space because if you go out, and you speak to people and you ask them what's good in the hood, that's just something that people say. That's just something that you use in your everyday speech, in your everyday jargon. Good in the hood. What's good in the hood? I'm good in the hood. You say that. So right off the bat, it's kind of something that you don't need to remember. It's more so something that already sticks with you because you probably used it or have heard somebody else use it in the past. Whereas with Artificial Enu, it's a little bit different, right? Because if you have that connection to Shiba Inu, then you're golden. But if not, you have to try to figure out what AI stands for, Artificial Enu, right? Good is not just another dog. He represents a culture that everyday people in the crypto and everyday people into crypto and unforgiving streets of the blockchain. Now, Artificial Enu is a CTO, and the Good coin is launched by a team that has actually ran up a base meme coin very close to $10 million market cap. So they have experience, they know what they're doing, and in my opinion, they are spearheading this thing properly. Now, both projects, in my opinion, are very solid, but it's undoubtedly, right? As of right now, the face of the dog ecosystem on Robinhood is the highest market cap one. But in my opinion, it's not gaining as much exposure or it's not getting the social credibility the way that Good coin is, right? So let's take a look. What do I mean by that? Understanding liquidity, right? Shout out to Finance Freeman. Good is super thick LP, which makes this 14 million all-time high so impressive, right? So you need to understand that Good coin actually has an insane amount of liquidity, $739,000 worth of liquidity, which is absolutely massive. The reason that is so good is because if you were to go in here right now and dump $20,000 worth, it's not really going to affect the charts as much as you would think, right? Let's say, for example, let's just compare to Artificial Enu. Liquidity is $3 million, right? So for example, right, if we were to just do the math really quick, this is around $700,000 market cap. So for it to get to 3 million, let's just say it's about a cheeky 5x return. Okay, times it by 5, right? If we had $3 million of liquidity, guys, and you only multiplied our market cap by 5, you're looking at 50 million, whereas Artificial Enu has a fully diluted valuation or a market cap of 82 million. So I'm saying in terms of liquidity to market cap price, you can see that Good in the Hood actually has a super thick LP, a super thick liquidity pool for the market cap that it is sitting at. Now, for big whale investors, this is really good because they'll feel more comfortable, dropping $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, and that's not something that this project is foreign to seeing because we have seen that. And as we keep going, guys, they are also building. You can see here a couple listings, Gate.io listing, which is absolutely phenomenal. You love to see it, right? And a deep dive into the world of Good in the Hood. It's the number one dog on, well, this is what Robinhood Memes is saying, number one dog on Robinhood Chain. They're building the guardian, of the hood on Robinhood Chain. Good is a dog theme meme coin built around loyalty, consistency, and the culture of the crypto trenches. So it doesn't have that utility that Artificial Enu has. It's simply just a meme coin. It's doing what a meme coin does. Clear character and visual identity, active video content and spaces, community contests, games, and giveaways, permanently locked liquidity from the team. Now, compared to Artificial Enu, I do believe that these guys are more involved in X spaces and they're doing more things as a team because they actually have that set in place. It's not just a CTO, right? Now, the thing that sets it apart for me, guys, is this post from Robinhood over here because Robinhood just low-key endorsed Good in the Hood. As you guys know, yesterday was at National Dog Day. Shout out to all the dogs out there watching. If you're a dog and you're watching this, shout out to you. Today is the dogs. Oh my God, I can't read. Today is for the dogs. Show us the goodest one you know. Goodest, right? Goodest one you know. And you might get some swag now. Good in the Hood. Goodest, you can see the overlap and you can see that this was a soft shill from Robinhood themselves. And just look at the comments. The comments have been absolutely flooded with Good in the Hood, right? good in the hood, good in the hood, good in the hood. Literally everyone that I know and see is good in the hood, good in the hood, good in the hood. Like, I mean, guys, it's insane. Good in the hood has so much of a mind share for people in the Robinhood kind of space that I don't see why this can't one day become the trending dog on the Robinhood chain. And if we go over to Ansem, um, his page alone, I'm not able to find it. Let me just find it and come back. Okay, here we go. So I just found this post from him now. Yes, he has spoken about Artificial Enu, but look, I don't know if anyone else caught this, but them posting this on Nvidia earnings day with what's on their chain is soft shilling at a level I've never seen before. Now, the reason that he's saying it's soft shilling at a level he's never seen before is because of their verbiage that they are using. Show us the goodest one you know, and that is none other than good in the hood. So it shows me that Robinhood is literally looking out for good in the hood. And I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if a listing came for good in the hood, even before it came for Artificial Enu. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not trying to be biased. This was an honest, in-depth review of the two. I think both projects are really good. And hey, why not? Why can't we work side by side and see both of them grow together? With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed, just remember I am not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that's worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.